What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin, and I'm sorry that I have not been uploading videos. My camera keeps breaking. Well, not keep breaking. It's not working. I've tried to record 2 tutorials thus far, and as I'm recording, halfway through, like any type of video clip, it just shuts off. So I'll start talking about something, like I was doing a video about how to keep your hair moisturized and your scalp moisturized and hydrated and all that stuff. I was going to do a video about apple cider vinegar rinse, and it didn't work. I was going to do a video on how to wash your hair, and it still wasn't working. So those are planned to be filmed soon once I get a new camera. I don't know, like, money-wise how I'm going to do that, but we're going to figure that out, and we'll see. Okay. So there will be videos coming soon. Don't worry. Just be patient, and thanks for the support, guys. All right. Until then, check out any of my other videos. That's all I can really say. That's all I got to offer you guys. So until then, peace and love. All right. So, all right. Hopefully I can do camera soon. I don't know what to tell you guys. All right. Well, until next time, y'all. Peace, and hopefully I get a new camera. We'll see what happens.